Now, even when you understand protein, carbohydrates, and fats, there's still one thing that ultimately determines whether your body gains or loses weight: calories. Now, calories are simply a unit of energy. Your body needs energy every day just to function. Your body needs energy to move, to train, and to keep your organs working properly. We call this energy balance. Now, your body weight is influenced by this thing called energy balance. If you consistently eat more calories than your body uses, your weight will increase. Now, if you consistently eat fewer calories than your body uses, your weight will decrease. This is known as a calorie deficit. Now, this is also the fundamental driver of fat loss. The first thing you need to do is estimate your maintenance calories. So now the question becomes, how many calories does your body actually need? Well, a simple starting estimate is your body weight multiplied by 22. So if we use our 90 kg person, this is how we would calculate it. So you would do 90 multiplied by 22, which equates roughly to 1,980 calories per day, which gives us a rough estimate of maintenance calories. Now, in order to create fat loss, if that person wants to lose body fat, we have to create a small deficit, a small calorie deficit. Now, that's typically around 10 to 20% below maintenance. So again, using our example, so maintenance around, let's say, 2,000 calories, our fat loss calories might be in the region of 1,600 to 1,800 calories per day. Now, this would allow the body to gradually use stored body fat for energy. Now, one important reminder, this is why macronutrients and calories work together. Protein supports muscle, carbohydrates support energy, and fats support hormones. But calories determine whether your body weight goes up or down. Now, the takeaway from this is just for you to remember this simple rule. If your calories are too high, fat loss becomes very difficult. And if your calories are controlled, fat loss becomes much, much easier. Now, in the next video, well, I'm going to try to break this down into something even simpler. So I'm going to be telling you the 3 rules of fat loss that makes this process much, much easier to follow.